face again. Because the crime's got this town reeking. I've had enough now, time for housekeeping. All these villains that keep causing me so much pain. Like that guy Bane. It's the sound of violence. On dark streets I walk alone. Sometimes Robin comes along. Then I punch some creeps under a street lamp. I turned my cape and flew back up to camp. And then my eyes did spy the flash of bad signals light, calling dark night, and start the sound of violence. And in the glowing light I saw 10,000 penguins, maybe more. Riddler and his brain were thinking. Two-Face and Catwoman were sneaking. And the Man of Steel is jelly, I'm a billionaire. But I don't care. Time for the sound of violence. Villains, I said you do not know which weapons from